I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. I don't know, it's so weird. I'm so close. Oh, hey, hello. How's it going? I know, where have I been? I am literally just wanting to be honest with you. I feel like I am in a rut right now. I feel tired. I just want to be in bed all day. It's been a busy past couple of weeks. Make myself a little presentable. Oh my God. Is this even worth packing? Sometimes I feel like I just want to cut my hair. And then I think to myself, what? I just want to get out of bed and get out of this rut. And it's like, okay, well, what do you do, right, when you feel like you're in a rut? Maybe that's the question. What do you do? I feel like getting back into the routine of things helps with that. Getting out of bed physically, moving around, and am I really gonna post this video with my hair looking like this? I mean, this is like the reality of life. I don't know what to do with this, and it's just unfortunately where we're at. I feel like I haven't said too much, but yet I've said a lot. So right now I haven't been like recording as much as I'd like to. Life has been lifing, and I miss being here on YouTube. I feel like it's easier to actively do something with your creativity when others are cheering you on. You post a video, especially if you're a YouTuber, you post a video, you've put all your hard work into doing it. Oh my gosh, you're interrupting me right now. Okay, like I was saying, like if you're a YouTuber and you've put a lot of work into creating a YouTube video, it's easier. I feel like it would be. I mean, tell me if I'm wrong. When people are cheering you on, when you could tell the views are going up, lots of people are viewing it, lots of people are commenting, I feel like it just makes you feel more inspired. I'm like, look, I could see why these YouTubers post videos back to back to back and stay consistent. It gives you a good feeling of encouragement. And I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. My hours are almost at the hours needed to actually be monetized. I don't know, it's so weird. I'm so close and things just feel so slow right now. I just want to get out of this rut. I want to get out of this rut. I want to just like be boom, boom, boom on my Zoom. Let me try to get out of this bed and maybe dress the bed. If you are trying to get out of a rut, I hope this at least lets you know that you're not alone.
Let's stop and stare for a minute, 'cause there is divinity there where the sinners breathe. They work their jaws, raise the hands of beyond for the physical, limited destiny. Spirits free. The sun, the light, the truth is within. Lead. Call up all of grace, the spirits free. The stars, the moon, the ocean, wind submerge my face. I bleed to bliss, I'm free from pain. All my life I find, I win, I hurt. All the sickness inside each breath. Desires, 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 desires. No sunlight's off, I'm annoyed, I'm trying to focus. You fighting the
So as you see, I still didn't put up my hair, but I did get out of bed. I got a little bit more energy. So yeah, the sun is setting. It's like, oh, Oh, is that what she's just saw a neighbor outside, like walking in it kind of looked like a Catwoman costume. She had like the eye mask, and her guy was holding her hand, and she had like a cape, and it looked like a full-on black jumpsuit. I'm like, okay. But now that reminded me that I think the apartment community has a Halloween event, so I guess I'm not going to that. Yeah, I actually forgot that that was today, but it's nice to see. Right, it's like 2 days before Halloween right now. So, a lot of people are getting Halloween stuff done. I feel like me and my guy, we're probably just gonna do like a Halloween movie night with Halloween like themed drinks, snacks, Halloween movie, a scary movie, stuff like that. I think I'll sip on this tea a little more, and I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Today is a new day. Today is a better day. I feel like I got enough rest last night. I slept at a decent time. So waking up this morning wasn't as hard. And as you see, I have myself a little bit more put together. My hair was all over the place yesterday. I don't know, I was just in a rut. But today, I don't feel like that. Here's what we're gonna do. I had bought a few things from Urban Outfitters recently. There was a sale that they had, and I remember just being like, you know what? They do have some cute stuff, but sometimes I'm like, I don't know if I want to get that. But this time I did get just a few random items. I am gonna show it to you. I love the items that I got. I think they are all cute. I'm gonna start with this one right here. This is, I think they call it a hidden icon mug. It has all these different artsy, it's almost sticker-like, but it's not. It's actually imprinted on the mug. You got like, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of like a romanticized mug in a way. And then when you look in, it has that beautiful color, but also it has a rose inside, right? So I don't know. I thought this was so cute. They had this on a specific sale. So if you want to go check it out, go to Urban Outfitters. This is actually a cute, super cute mug. I also got this. This is actually a bow for your hair. I know I've been seeing a lot of people wearing these bows. Right now, I don't know if my puffs would even allow me, my current hairstyle would allow me to wear this type of bow. So this is the bow. It's like a bow scrunchie. So this part is like the scrunchy part of it. And then, it has the little like dangling tails. It has the actual tied bow aspect of it. Ooh, and then you just like take the scrunchy part and you put it, on your hair. So this is super cute. Look at it. It is so freaking cute. I love the color. Again, just a little bit, just something cute. Like sometimes I want to shop at Urban Outfitters and then I'm like, but I don't want to spend all that, or, I don't really need that. But I don't know. There are some items that they had that I was like, you know what? Especially since they're having a sale, I'm gonna get it. So I've been wanting a bow. I got this bow. Just gotta figure out what hairstyle to do it with. The other thing that I did get is these really cute earrings. So let me open it up really quickly while we're on the bow theme, right? So these are bow earrings right here. They are pretty solid. Oh my gosh. So apparently they used to be like 15 bucks. With the sale, I got them for $2.97. So I'm thinking like holiday vibes. These are gonna be really cute. I usually don't buy like silver jewelry, but like I said, it has the bow. So I feel like the bow is gonna, the bow is gonna look really nice for the holidays. November is already basically here, and the holiday season. So I'm gonna be wearing this. Urban Outfitters, look, if they have a sale, go check it out. Now, the other thing that I did get was this, a beautiful glass, beautiful tumbler is what I would call it. So it's like cherries on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like different cherry designs. It has this yellow pattern on it. I really like it. Nothing really crazy. It's not like a super long mug either. You could put like a nice little refreshment in here, a nice little mocktail. I thought this was so cute. You know what? The more I'm looking at these items, I'm like, you know what? I think I'm gonna go back to their website and see if they have any more new items on sale, because it's quite the steal. And I love things like this, You got the mug, you got this, nothing like cute, drinking wear for the house. So I really like this mug. I can't wait to use it. The other thing that I did get, which I couldn't find, and I think something tells me that I accidentally took it to the garbage, which I'm somewhat upset about, because I actually opened it, looked at it, fell in love with it, and I was like, ooh. And then here we are. I just realized that I may have thrown it away when I took the empty boxes out, right? So not fun. But let me try to show you what it looks like on my phone, what I ordered. Oh my God. You know what? I just clicked on it and it says the product is no longer available. My heart hurts. What I had ordered is a lighter. So it's like a cute little lighter. This, super cute, super duper cute. I was like, okay, a cute little lighter that I could use to put on some of my taper candles. Of course, it has cherries on it as well. It's a very cute pink color. I just hate so much. You don't even know. I'm so I'm upset. And I'm like, oh my God, maybe I could reorder it. But then I just clicked on it. It's no longer there. That was such a precious find for me. And I'm so upset that I somehow accidentally tossed it. I guess before you throw your trash, you gotta look. Even though I do look, and I did look, I think I was just so caught up in whatever else I was doing. It didn't click that was still in the box. And I tossed it. But anyway, here is the final thing that I did get from Urban Outfitters here. This, the way the packaging looks, you can't really tell what it is. So I'll, show you an image. So it's a puffy pillow set. It's kind of compressed in this bag right now. The way it has it in the picture, it's like you can just put it on your bedding just like that without having a pillowcase over it. Okay, so that's what it looks like. When I unbag that, from being compressed, this is how it looks like. It's a puffy pillow, 2 of them. So I'm really excited to use that and spruce up my bedding. I have some new sheets and duvet covers and pillowcases that I got. That one, this is not gonna require a pillowcase, so it's gonna be interesting. I've never had anything like that. It's almost like a 3-dimensional pillow. Those are the items that I did get from Urban Outfitters. still regretting that I tossed that lighter. It was like the cutest thing. But I would go on their website again and see what else they have. Hopefully they have another similar item. That's it for today's vlog. You know, these past couple of days in my life, getting out of a rut. Yeah, I still have other ideas of things that I want to do to help me get out of a rut. I actually have my piano over here. I might play some of that, you know, getting some fresh air, going for a walk later. I think, you know, sometimes when we're in a rut, it just feels like we can't get out of it. You know, we want to get out of it, but it's like we're just stuck. And sometimes all you need, from what I've learned anyway, is, you know, you need to get some good sleep, take your vitamins, drink lots of water. What else do you need to do? Eat some good food, you know, not junk food, but just something more wholesome, you know, that has a little more substance. Add some vegetables in there. Don't eat late, don't drink late. You know, stretch, relax. And then, you know, in the morning, do a little morning routine, a little morning self-care, you know, brush your teeth, wash your face, you know, make yourself look cute. Know that it's one step at a time. Like, getting out of a rut is not like like a quick snap of a finger, even though that's what we wish. But I'm thankful for how I feel today. I feel great, and it's gonna be a great day. So having that positive mental attitude as well helps a lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. We need to let YouTube know that this is where we're hanging out. I will catch you in my next video. All right, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about everything, including the Urban Outfitters haul. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.